Hello, World of Z fam. My name is Zoe, the mad scientist. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make elephant toothpaste. But please don't give this to your pet elephant. Anyway, without further ado, let's begin. Alright guys, so the things you'll need for making the elephant toothpaste are soap, 3% hydrogen peroxide, I know I said it wrong, some yeast. We have some hot water in our house because it's cold out here and it would become cold. We also have a funnel and a milk jug. So to do this, there will be recipes down below if you want to do this. Just make sure to do it outside and not in your house. Anyway, let's do this thing. Alright, yes, I know mad scientists aren't supposed to be on the ground, but for this experiment, I sure have to so I don't get the furniture dirty with elephant toothpaste. First, I have to open these. Now be really careful doing this, because if you get hydrogen peroxide on your clothes, this might bleach them. Slowly pour it in. Alright, now let's do the next one. Alright, that's the second one. Now let's pour the soap in. And I think the best way to do this is if you get liquid soap, so it pours fast. Now we gotta swish this around. And we'll take the funnel out. But you wanna do this gently. Alright, this is good. That's heavy. Alright, now we have to go back to the table over there to pour the yeast into the hot water. So let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna pour this yeast mixture into the gallon of stuff in 3, 2, 1. It wasn't that much. Should I shake it? There's like a huge bubble dripping down. Can I shake it?
No.
Why?
You'll get this peroxide on you.
Oh yeah. I really want to touch it. Holy cow. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. This was the best experiment we've done probably on this channel. Alright guys, this was a really fun experiment. Now let's explain how this happens. Alright guys, remember to like this video and give it a big thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button. Okay, so in the making of elephant toothpaste, the yeast takes out all of the oxygen. So oxygen is all like, bye everybody! And this oxygen is from the hydrogen peroxide. So, as a result of all of this happening, the elephant toothpaste is created! Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!